Good morning, dear students. So we have completed up to question number 4. I told you to solve question number 5 at home. Then also I'm just showing you question number 5 today now here. So from exercise 4.1, question number 5 you see. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube plus n into 3 to the power n equal to, you have to show twice n minus 1 into 3 to the power n plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. Okay, let us say this is Pn statement. So at first we prove it for n equal to 1. So this is case 1. So when n is equal to 1, that's it, right? When n is equal to 1, then P1 is equal to, that is first term. n equal to 1 means actually the first term. First term means in the left hand side. 1 into 3, that is equal to 3. And right hand side is, in right hand side n equal to 1, you have to substitute. So right hand side is what? 2 into 1 minus 1, because the right hand side is 2n minus 1 into 3 to the power of n plus 1 means 1 plus 1 plus 3 whole divided by 4. So it is giving us, this will be 1, 3 to the power of 2, it is 9, because 3 square plus 3 divided by 4, because 2 into 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, into 3 to the power of 1 plus 1, 2, 2 means 3 square, 3 square is 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 by 4, that is equal to 3. So we got from right hand side also 3 only we got. So therefore left hand side is equal right hand side. The statement is true for n equal to 1. Now we have to suppose that the statement will be true for n equal to k also. Case 2. No? Suppose pk is true. That is we can say p of k, that 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube plus plus k into 3 to the power of k is also equal to 2k minus 1 into 3 to the power of k plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. Okay, so now let us mark this as statement 1. So now we will see the statement is true for k plus 1 or not. Case 3. When n is equal to k plus 1, then pk plus 1, 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube plus plus k into 3 to the power of k plus one more term k into k plus 1 into 3 to the power of k plus 1. So for this we will see the right hand side will be 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 into 3 to the power of k plus 1 plus 1 k plus 2, that means plus 3 it should be divided by 4. Let us get that expression from this. So now here what we are doing, we will simplify this whole thing. But up to here we know this is actually from here to here, this is this statement, this is because k into 3 to the power k means after adding all these terms you will get this one. So we can substitute here that expression. What is that? 2k minus 1 in bracket into 3 to the power of k plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. For this from here to here. So from first term to this term. Now last term is remaining. What is the last term? Into plus this k plus 1 into 3 to the power of k plus 1. Here you can say, for supporting this one, how you are getting this one, you can say using the equation number 1. We are using equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Okay. So we are getting now, if we add this term with this one, then we will get 2k minus 1 to the power of into 3 to the power of k plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. LCM is 4 here. Then 4 into this one. 4 into k plus 1. No? K plus 1 into 3 to the power of k plus 1. Or here will be actually k plus 1. Okay, k plus 1. Correct. K plus 1. Because last time is k plus 1 into 3 to the power k plus 1. Now, see dear students. Here this 3 to the power of k plus 1. This 3 to the power of k plus 1. And this 3 to the power k plus 1. If we take as a common factor, then in bracket what we will have? 2k minus 1 from here. Then from here 4 into k plus 1. So taking 3 to the power k plus 1 as a common factor. So we will get like this. 2k minus 1 into, in bracket, plus 4 into k plus 1 into 3 to the power of k plus 1, common factor, plus this extra 3 is there, plus 3 right here, divided by 4. Now we'll simplify inside. If we simplify, what we will get here? 4k plus twice k, 6k, minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 plus 4 will make it plus 3. So it will be 4k, 6k, and here plus 3. 6k plus 3 it will be. So we will get the last part like this. 4k plus 2k, 6k, minus 1 plus 4 plus 3 into 3 to the power of k plus 1 plus extra 3 divided by 4. Okay, now next step will be like this, as you see. Now if you take a 3 common from here and here, if you take a 3 common, then it will be like this. After taking 3 common, it will be twice k, because 3 to the 6 plus 1, then 1 3 will be out, so into 3 into this 3 to the power of k plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. Okay, so then we can write it like this. Twice k, twice this k I can write as like this, k plus 1 minus 1. Just you think, 2 into k, twice k, 2 into 1, 2 minus 1, that will be plus 1, because 2 minus 1 is plus 1. If you simplify this whole thing, you will get again 2k plus 1 only. This can be written like this. Okay, then into 3 into 3 to the power of k plus 1, that will be 3 into, this is its power is 1 and here it is k plus 1, then it will be k plus 1 plus 1. We can add this power with this power, then plus this 3 divided by this 4. Okay, now dear students, compare this expression with the original expression, that is expression of the given statement. Here you see, what is here? It is 2 into n minus 1, and outside 3 to the power of n plus 1, plus this extra 3 divided by 4. Similar way we are getting here also. See, 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 here, and 3 to the power of k plus 1 plus 1, because comparing with the original expression, we are getting this way. Okay dear students, so we are getting, so exactly this expression only, given expression. So it will be equal to, therefore whenever pk is true, pk plus 1 is also true. This is our answer. Okay, dear students. So thank you, and we'll go through the remaining questions. The remaining questions will be homework for you. Okay, dear students. We'll meet in our next class.